Right car. Right price. Need gas? I don't think so. Automatic transmission, least not very much. 30 mpg highway. In these economic times, a super vehicle automatic transmission, a super price like this D is more important and welcome than ever. Less than 52k miles. New in stock, great safety equipment to protect you on the road, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Other features include power locks, power windows, auto air conditioning, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder SOHC engine with variable valve timing.